హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్. ఈరోజు నేను పెట్టే వీడియో వచ్చేసి సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ టర్మ్ టు మోడల్ పేపర్ 2024-25 క్లాస్ 6th సబ్జెక్ట్ మ్యాథ్స్. ఓకే, ద కాస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ టాయ్ ఈజ్ స్మాలెస్ట్ 5-digit number and the cost of toy B is greatest 3-digit number. What is the difference in cost of toys A and B? So smallest 5-digit number 10,000, greatest 3-digit number is 999. So the difference is how much? 9,001. Next, how many chocolates will Raju receive if 15 chocolates are served between Raju and Ravi in a 3:2 ratio? So total pots is 5, 3 plus 2, 5. Raju is 3 by 5 into 15, 3 3 ja 9. Rani is 2 by 5 into 15, 2 3 ja 6. So what the option? Raju getting how many? 9. So what the option? D. Next, given below photograph shows the number of cakes and sold a bakery over a week. So a cake, a piece is 2 cakes. So in Sunday there is 8 cakes, 8 2 is 16. In Thursday there is 3 cakes, 3 2 is 6. So what is the difference in the number of cakes sold between Sunday and Thursday? Is different 16 minus 6, that is equal to 10. Next, consider the following statements. Statement 1, 175 pies can be expressed as 1 rupee 75. So 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So 175 rupees we can write as 175 by 100 is equal to 1.75 pies. Statement 2, 1680 meters can be expressed as 16.80 kilometer. So it is wrong. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So 1680 meters we can write as 1.68 kilometer. So only statement 1 is correct. So next, how many interior angles does the figure have? Option is D. Next, which of the following inequalities is correct? So the option is B. Next, a milk dairy has a tank containing 7,500 liters of milk. How many packets of 500 milliliters can each be filled with the milk? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. 7500 milliliters is equal to 7500 into 1000 milliliters. So total by each we can get number of is 15,000. So what the option? D. Next, 8th option is C option. So a stationery shop sells packs of markers. Each pack contains 12 markers. If P represent the number of packs, which of the following expressions represent the total number of markers? Is 12P. So what the option? C. Next, if a clock hour starts at 2 and makes 3 by 4 of a revolutions clockwise, where will the hour hand start? So what the option? A. Next, 10th, Ramya bought 7.5 meters of cloth from a shop. She used 2 meters and 75 centimeters of this cloth to make a shirt. How many meters of cloth are left her? So here we can do that subtract. The answer is 4.75 meters. Next, the 11th one. In January, the highest temperature recorded in a town was 18 degrees centigrade. The lowest temperature was 20 degrees centigrade, lower than the highest temperature. What was the lowest temperature in January? Is minus 4 degrees centigrade. So what the option? B. Next, Ramu, Abdul and Stephen bought 3 identical pizzas. Ramu has 2 by 8 of the pizza. Abdul has 4 by 16 of the pizza. Stephen has 3 by 12 of the pizza. Based on the amount each person ate, which of the following is Ramu is 2 by 8, the fraction is 1 by 4. Abdul is 4 by 16, the fraction is 1 by 4. Stephen is 3 by 12, the fraction is 1 by 4. So all what the option? D. All 3 individual are the same amount of pizza. Next, a teacher asked 35 students what is the favorite color. So here red 9 members, blue 8 members, green 7, yellow 10, pink 2. So here what is the difference between the number of students who have chosen most liked and the least liked? So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So what the option? C option. Next, if the least common multiple of two numbers P and Q is equal to their product, so LCM of co-primes is equal to product of their co-primes. So what the option? D. Next, 15th one, the option is B. So next, 16th one, the option is A. Next, 17th one, the option is B. Next, 10th one, the option is B. 18th one, the option is B. 19th one, the option is E. 20th one, the option is B. Next, students tracked the time they spent completing their math homework. So Hamad 45.5 minutes, Priyanka 38.2 minutes, David 52.4 minutes, Sanjana 41.7 minutes. So here, who spent the longest on their homework? David 52.4. So how much longer did Sanjana spend compared the Priyanka? So that is 3.5, 41.7 minus 38.2. Next, what is the difference between the shortest and longest homework? That is 14.2. Next, how much did Ahmad David spend together on their homework? Is 97.9 minutes. Next, a bag containing weight 5 kg 750 grams. How many such bags can be loaded to track with a maximum capacity 1150 kg? So your steps. So total amount by each, that is 5 bags. Next ma, Meera earns 1,20,000 annually. She saves 40,000 and spends the rest. So find the ratio of Meena earning to her savings. So earning is 1,20,000, saving is 40,000. The ratio is 3:1. Next, find the ratio of Meena's savings to her spending. So spending at the 1,20,000 of saved 40,000 both 80,000. So what the ratio of 40,000 is to 80,000, that is equal 1:2. If Meera earns 1,80,000, how much would she save in the same proportion as before? So here 3:1, that is equal 1/4 into 1,80,000, that is equal 45,000. So what the difference between Meera's previous saving or now savings is 5,000. Next, consider the triangle shown below and answer the following questions. So classify the triangle based on the given measure of the triangle. It is equilateral triangle. So two angles 60 unte third angles kuda 60 elante sum of angles in a triangle is how much? 180 degrees. ఓకేనా. సో 180 degrees పరంగా థర్డ్ యాంగిల్ కూడా ఎంత ఉంది? 60. సో ఆల్ యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్, దాని ఏమంటాం? ఈక్వలేటరల్ ట్రయాంగిల్ అంటాం. నెక్స్ట్, రాము మెజర్డ్ ఏబి అండ్ ఫౌండ్ టు బి లెంత్ 5 cm without measuring. Shailaja correctly stated that the length of AC BC. So what are these values? AC is equal to 5, BC is equal to 5. So all sides are equal. Next, if angle C alone is changed to 50 and instead of 60, determine the type of triangle that would be formed based on the sides. It is isosceles triangle. Next, if both A, B and C are changed to 50 instead of 60, determine the triangle, isosceles triangle. Next, a florist has 200 roses, 320 orchids. He wants to make garland with the same number of flowers in each. What is the longest possible number of each flower? That is SCF, that is equal how much? 40. So next, the number of vehicles passing a toll gate in one color is recorded in the below. So 1 hour is recorded in the table below. Cars is 20, trucks is 9, buses 12, lorries 18, vans is 9. So complete the number of vehicles column in the table. How many more lorries passed through the toll gate compared to vans? So van తో కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఎన్ని పోతాయంటే, సో లారీస్ ఎన్ని మొత్తం 18, వ్యాన్స్ ఎన్ని 9. సో ఎన్ని ఎక్కువ పోయినాయి? 9. నెక్స్ట్, calculate the number of vehicles that passed through the toll gate during the time. So total is how much? 68. Total is how much? 68. The toll gate fees is 350 rupees per hour for a single journey. Calculate the total collected from the buses. So on how many buses are there? 12. So 355 into 12, that is equal 4216. Next, 3 water dispensers release water at different intervals. The first dispenser releases water every 10 minutes, second every 15 minutes, third every 20 minutes. If all 3 dispensaries start releasing water at the same time, after how many minutes will they all release water together again? That is 60 minutes. We take the LCM. Next, how many times will each dispenser release water before all 3 dispensers release water together again? So first is 6 minutes, second is 4 minutes, third is 3 minutes. Next, if all the dispensers start at 10 a.m., when are the next 4 times all 3 will release water simultaneously? That is 11 p.m., 12 p.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m. We can adding 60 minutes for 10 a.m., again 11 a.m., again 12 p.m., again 1 p.m. Next question. It is number line. It is area of the parts, polygon shapes. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.